It's Christmas time, the tree shines bright. Wow, what a wonderful view.